Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to press and hold the light button to open the shortcut menu. Once this menu appears on the screen, you can swipe on the screen to scroll through it, select the icon called Do Not Disturb and tap on it to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see now, it's on. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply press and hold the light button again to open the menu and tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again to turn it off. You can also turn on the Do Not Disturb mode through settings. So let's press and hold the App/Menu button to open the menu. Scroll down until you find the System option, then tap on it. Here, scroll down. Find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and as you can see here we have option called Status. If you tap on it, it will change to on. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and if you tap on it again and change it to off, that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also scroll right here, tap on Edit, and you can customize some settings for your Do Not Disturb mode, like always on display. You can turn it on or don't change, basically to keep it enabled, and stuff like that. Smart notifications, alerts, and wrist gestures. You can customize the settings for these. And once you're done, simply press the back button to go back. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.